Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HBO Max not working on your LG Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to use the HBO Max app, but it's not working. How do you actually go ahead about fixing it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now as obvious as it sounds, the first thing that you can do is unplug your LG Smart TV. Leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds and then replug it back in. What you've just done is a soft reset of your LG Smart TV. Go ahead and see if that works afterwards. Next, what you can do next is that you can go ahead and highlight the HBO Max app, press and hold the sensor button on your remote, and with it, you could actually go ahead and click on the trash icon and delete the HBO Max app. But once you delete it, go ahead and reinstall it and see if that works. Now, as a last resort, you can actually factory reset your TV. You can click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on the gear icon again, and then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says General. After you click on General, go ahead and scroll down even more and click on System. Once you click on System, scroll down even further to where it says Reset to Initial Settings. So what this is going to do is a factory reset of your LG Smart TV. It's going to delete any accounts that you have logged in, it's going to delete any apps that you've logged into. It's going to make it so that your LG Smart TV is brand new. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix HBO Max not working on your LG Smart TV. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.